out here day 2 of the East Coast BMX-PERIENCE. I think they're about to have the Pyramid Jam inside of Lot 8. And there are some guys with front brakes here. And that always means there's going to be some rowdy stuff that goes down. I'm not sure what my demographic is on here, but if it's young, you guys have no idea what you're about to watch. If you're a little bit older, then you're going to be really excited to see what you're seeing. So we're going to get in there and get to it. See you guys in there.
Hey, my man in the highlighter shirt, you have a chest protector. What do you have to be afraid of? Get out here. Keith McElhaney on course. There were rumors of a front flare earlier today, and now we get the dog pisser backwards noseman. The power strip of ass sweat that only Keith McElhaney can produce.
Video cameras here today. Here we go.
Everyone's documenting it. Sir, we'd love to see you out here. East Coast finest. 540. Someone's going home with the grand prize of a well-done grilled cheese sandwich from lunch today.
Whoa!
That thing is rare. I am missing the king. This is the Flat Ground Wizard. And you would know that, Brian, if you came to Maverick. Yo! Brian Fox, official judging panel, as well as Spencer Forceman, security, Badussi.
Oh my.
Wow. Yep, this is what we all crowded into Lot 8 to see.
Whoa!
What happened to the music?
What do I gotta say? People need to start riding their bikes more.
Sound just empty, nothing floating around again. makes
I'm telling
me
you, Big
sing.
Keith,
But don't you for one second think that one day lonely I won't be again.
I brand more, but he's definitely a consideration.
Why you hate me?
I love
Dude.
Bramore. I love Bramore. He's
He
my
hates
favorite.
me.
No. He did one of the gnarliest tricks. Dreadlock guy. He was awesome. Trevor Watering. Big Keith. I know, Duke Cup. What do you think?
I don't know. I mean, no one's doing what Big Keith's doing.
No one's doing what Big Keith's doing, but no one's doing what Trevor's doing. And
That's
no one, dude, no one was doing what Dreadlocks was doing.
Yeah,
He did a
and-
freaking double grab over the box.
And
Like,
he did 270 lawnmower ice to
Oh,
bar
yeah,
spin
he
and then
did.
back over on that.
It's hard.
Chunker.
It's tough decision.
uh,
You made the big buck. Pick it. Pick it.
Brandmore, quit filming for you.
I'm gonna go with,
I'm leaving.
dude, I
I'm
got,
pretty sure the paint's still wet on these and it's all over me. So
Nice.
let's give this to someone.
okay.
I would narrow it down to the 270 nose ice.
King of the transitional pyramid,
Is
Brandmore! Dude,
thank you.
Good job.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm
so
stoked.
good. So good.
King of Tech.
Let me see that. Let me see that
Did
thing.
you?
Let me see the front of that thing.
I got a dollar.
Got a dollar.
I'm
You
sponsored by Jamie
did.
Bestwick.
No, that's prize money. Don't forget to pay your tax on that.
All right, so we just finished up the East Coast BMX-PERIENCE weekend here at Woodward East, and all I can say is wow, what an awesome event this was. Chase Pazza, the BMX director, did an absolutely phenomenal job putting this together. I think they had upwards of 300 dudes out here on bikes this weekend, which made for a really awesome time, especially because it was an adult weekend. So they showed the Fit Premiere F It All. Woodward did a really great job at kind of keeping all the adults a little bit more tame. This is not Swamp Fest. It's definitely not Swamp Fest, but at least, you know, for Woodward being such a big company, they were actually they're able to let loose, and people are able to come out and have fun, have a good time. So overall impression of this thing was absolutely insane. If you're thinking about coming to the next one, I'm sure you guys have seen some footage of it already. Stop thinking about it. Next time they have one, come out here. Just keep on the lookout for it. I'm sure I'll be posting about it in the future. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.